Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the charm of country style home decor, a design that's cozy, rustic, and timeless. Country style home decor is all about creating a warm, cozy, and timeless atmosphere that feels connected to nature and rural living. Here are some practical tips for decorating your home in country style. Start with natural materials. Use wooden furniture with a distressed or rustic finish. Add stone, brick, or shiplap walls for extra country charm. Wicker baskets and iron accents work great for storage and decoration. Choose a warm, soft color palette. Stick to earth tones and neutrals like cream, beige, chess green, and soft gray. Add accents with gingham, plaid, or floral patterns in curtains, pillows, and tablecloths. Mix old with new. Incorporate vintage pieces such as an old dresser, antique mirror, or framed dining table. Blend them with newer cozy items so the space feels charming but functional. Add cozy textiles. Use quilted rugs, handmade rugs, and bleach or cotton curtains. Layer fabrics to make the space warmer and more inviting. Bring the outdoors in. Place fresh flowers or dried lavender in jars and pitchers. Add indoor plants to give your home a fresh, lively touch. Use soft and warm lighting. Choose lamps with fabric shades, lanterns, and candlelight for a cozy glow. Rustic candlelights or pendant lights can make a statement. Keep the kitchen farmhouse friendly. Add a farmhouse sink, open shelves, and hanging pots and pans. Display everyday items like jars, bowls, or cutting boards as decor. Dress windows the country way. Use light cotton, linen, or lace curtains instead of heavy drapes. Gingham or floral prints add a farmhouse touch. Mix and match furniture. Don't worry about everything being a perfect set. Combine mismatched chairs, old tables, and repurposed cabinets. It feels authentic. Use baskets everywhere. Open baskets are great for storing blankets, magazines, and firewood. They add both storage and rustic charm. Add rustic mirrors. Use distressed wooden or old iron frames. Mirrors make small country rooms feel brighter and bigger. Repurpose everyday items. Turn old messengers into vases or candle holders. Use wooden crates as shelves or milk cans as umbrella stand. Decorate with nature. Display wheat bundles, pine cones, branches, or wildflowers. Showcase open shelving. Replace some kitchen cabinets with open shelves. Show off crockery, enamelware, jars of grains, or vintage teapots. Mix fabrics for comfort. Combine linen, burlap, cotton, and wool for texture. Add plaid pillows, floral quilts, and open drawers for a layered look. Use candles and lanterns. Place candlesticks, lanterns, or hurricane lamps around the home. Scented candles with lavender, vanilla, or fruit sleep notes add warmth. Keep it inviting. Arrange furniture to encourage gathering and conversation. A large farmhouse table or cozy sitting area is perfect for family and guests. The key is making your home feel simple, warm, and lived in rather than perfect or polished. Embrace reclaimed wood. Use barn wood for shelves, tables, or wall accents. A reclaimed wood headboard instantly gives a rustic farmhouse feel. Add farm-inspired details. Decorate with roosters, cows, or botanical motifs in kitchen towels, wall art, or pottery. Subtle touches keep the space playful without being overwhelming. Layer rugs for warmth. Place a jute rug underneath a patterned wool or braided rug. Layering gives depth, coziness, and texture. Choose furniture cozy and practical. Choose big, comfy sofas with slipcovers in neutral tones. Slipcovers are both country friendly and easy to clean. Use open storage. Show off ceramic bowls, vintage plates, or glass jars in the kitchen. In the living room, open shelving can display books, plants, and country collectibles. Stick with handmade touches. Crochet, embroidery, or hand-painted signs give a personal, cottage-like charm. Even simple DIY crafts make the home feel authentic. Use floral and botanical accents. Add floral cushions, curtains, or wallpapers in soft colors. Layer with weightless linens. Use embroidered tablecloths, lace runners, and patchwork coils. Go for functional decor. Let every item be decorative. Copper pans, ceramic bowls, or open baskets. Create a cozy reading nook. A comfy armchair, coiled, and a small lamp in a corner makes the home feel welcoming. Add black accents for contrast. Too much cream and wood can feel flat. Iron handles, lanterns, or black picture frames give balance. Highlight exposed elements. If possible, keep exposed wooden beams, brick walls, or stone fireplaces visible. Add statement antique pieces. Invest in one or two vintage statement items like a grandfather clock, farmhouse dresser, or rocking chair. Use open display cabinets, glass front or open cabinets in kitchens and dining rooms. Let you display china, mason jars, and animal ware. Painted and natural wood. Pair whitewashed furniture with raw wood finishes. Thanks for watching the video.